Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to the official Tech Podcast Awards. We are here at CES 2020. I am Chris Jordan, host of the Talking Sound podcast. There has been such an overwhelming amount of tech, I'm telling you, folks. My brain is literally mush. I don't know how I'm going to make it through a week of work here because the tech was just so absolutely overwhelming. And when I was told that I had an award to give out to my favorite piece of technology that I saw at the event, there was one that really just rang a bell in my head and really resonated with me personally whenever I saw it, and that was URGONight. Guruk is here from URGONight. This is their product. It's an amazing sleep headband that teaches you to train your brain waves to sleep better.
Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
We are very honored to be here for the award, and we are very happy that you have selected URGONight. Thank you, Chris.
Absolutely. It was whenever I went through the demonstration and everything else, that's what really sold me. I was very, very impressed with the product construction to begin with. Very smooth-looking piece of technology, very ergonomically fitted to the head. Like I told you during the demo, I have a headband that I use. I've used quite a few brainwave headbands before, but I've never had one that fit that comfortably. I've never had one with that kind of quality construction build. And with that kind of sensitivity, the sensitivity on those electrodes was absolutely amazing, as was the experience of using the app and seeing it in action. So I want to thank you guys for taking on something so important as whole brain health. We hear so often about whole body health. We don't hear about the brain too much, and there have been so many studies lately. Myself in my industry, we work 15 to 18-hour days regularly, over and over and over and over. And when you have that repeated sleep loss, the proteins in your brain literally do not regenerate. It leads to faster aging, leads to Alzheimer's, all kinds of issues. We're coming to find out that sleep deprivation is worse than alcohol for you. It's worse than some hard drug use. Like, it really does damage to your body and your brain. So the fact that y'all have come up with something to help someone not only get to sleep faster, but have a better, more restful sleep that is more healing for their body. Thank you for that.
Well, thank you. And the huge thing about URGONight is that it's based on a technique that's been around for 20 years called neurofeedback, being proven to be really efficient, helping you falling asleep faster and staying asleep. And we've been working really hard with URGONight to make it a very simple, easy-to-use, convenient home device so that everyone can have access to the technology and train their brains to sleep better. So thank you for your feedback.
Absolutely. For my neural feedback, literally. Well, that's it, folks. There's URGONight. That is my prized award right there. That was my favorite piece of technology that I saw and interacted with while I was here. So
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chris.
Appreciate all your research and work in that.